All right, welcome back to our 40-unit apartment complex flip. We did this in 90 days. Guys, we are back and we are done. I wanna show you this. We are so close, everything. We've got people moved in. I wanna go see them. Let's go take a look right now. All right, looks beautiful out here. Look at the landscape. We've got people moved in. I can't wait to show you guys what we did in these apartments. They are absolutely stunning, gorgeous. This is what we did, full guts in 90 days. They're staged, ready for people to move in. Check this out. Yeah, buddy. Really nice. Granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, brand new LVP flooring, tile in the showers, everything new, okay? We've got king-size beds, we got a 75-inch TV, we got a 55-inch TV in the bedroom. Well, look what I'm saying. We've got computer monitors, a place to work. These are professional tenants that are gonna be staying here and working here, and we're providing everything for them right here. Desks, monitors, TVs, the beds, all the cooking stuff. Let's take a look in the cabinet, see what we got. Check these out. Fully loaded, coffee makers. We got running water. Wow. Look at this. Look at all the cooking utensils. Everything ready to go. This place is move-in ready. Let's take a look at the laundry. Love this. This is how you add value, okay? So when we bought these, they didn't have any laundry hookups. They actually had a laundromat in the middle of the complex. Like we always say, if you want to upgrade your asset, especially multifamily, add in-house laundry, okay? You can buy a ton of apartment complexes that don't have laundry. This is what I always say. Your asset will never go up in class, right? You're always gonna have a C+, B- asset at best if you don't have laundry. And what I say is, if they gotta put their laundry in the car to wash it, it's never gonna be a higher asset, okay? So we're talking C+, B-, you can't get out of that category unless they don't have to leave their apartment, right? This was a C+, C- asset apartment complex when we bought it. It's B+ now, A-. It's an incredible place. And one of the ways we added value is to put in laundry, right? So if we don't have to leave our house to go do our laundry, we can up our asset grade. All right, just walking the grounds of the property, it feels good, right? You know how when you get to an investment project and it just feels good when you walk around, you're like, okay, things are clicking, it's popping. This thing's really, really done. People are happy here. We know it's gonna be worth a lot of money. And as an investor, that's what's really most important. We just talked about laundry, right? Creating value, upgrading our asset, right? From a B or C-, C+, maybe to a B, maybe an A-. Remember, we added that laundry. Let me show you what used to be the ratty, old, disgusting, dirty laundromat is now an awesome hangout spot. Check this out. So we got big plans in here, right? Our tenant is putting TVs all on the walls, poker tables, game rooms, refrigerators, places to hang out, right? This is gonna be like corporate housing, right? So people are gonna come here and stay for an extended period of time. They're gonna be able to just move right in with the beds and everything. And this is gonna be kind of a central location for them to hang out. Dart boards, poker tables, TVs on the wall for sports. One of the ways we added value is we put in this half bath right here, right? So if you're enjoying your time down here, you're not gonna have to go all the way back up to your room. Man, that looks fantastic. Looks really good. This is the last stand, right? We call this room the Alamo, okay? This is our last stand where we're fixing everything. This is the last space to get done. Flooring's not even in, but you can see it's our catch-all, right? Gotta be able to have the last stand for the paint, the trim, the sheetrock, everything else we need, plus all the stuff we didn't use, now we can return. Very cool. Last week for our porta-johns, remember when you get done your projects, get your porta-johns out of here, but leave them long enough to as we're what we call stress testing the units, right? So people are moving in. Remember, we did a full repipe, full electrical. So there's gonna be issues, right? When you do 40 units in 90 days, I don't care how good your guys are, what you got going on, you're gonna have issues. Luckily out here, we really only had 1 or 2 issues out of 40 units, and we're troubleshooting those. But it's good to have a last stand with some final supplies and things like that before you basically are done and getting out of here. And it looks so good.